This is real caramel sauce. Look at the color on that. Nice consistency. Takes about 7 minutes to make. And I'm making it with a product called Allulose. It's a sugar substitute, and it works just like sugar. Keto caramel sauce. This is the real deal. We've all had caramel sauce out of a jar that you buy in the store, but this is virtually carb-free. Look at that nice thick caramel sauce. Tastes like really good caramel sauce. What we've been doing, you can use the caramel sauce on whatever you like, from keto ice cream to, I've been experimenting with caramel cups. That's where you put some chocolate in the bottom, some caramel, and then more chocolate on the top. Put them in the fridge and then pop them out. That's pretty good. That's a little silicone mold. And there's a candy mold. You could make caramels actually. So the recipe for this is below in the comments section. So what I'm doing right now is I've got my induction burner warming up to a medium low. That's kind of the secret to this recipe. And I'm using something called Allulose because we don't have sugar. This is Splenda Allulose. When I first started out, I bought 5 pounds of Allulose, and I use it basically just for caramel sauce. So I've got a half cup. Measurements for this are below in the comments. So there's my half cup of Allulose. It tastes like sugar. It's 1-to-1. Looks like sugar. So if you're substituting a cup of sugar, you'd put a cup of this in. And I bought this. You can get it online on Amazon. Our grocery store had it on buy one, get one. Now the secret to this is to keep on stirring, and you want to go at a medium-low heat. So, and just keep on stirring. But this is going to brown up just like regular sugar. If you go too far on too high of a heat, what's going to happen is it's going to go too dark, and you're going to get a burnt or a bitter aftertaste. You kind of want to sneak up on it. It's pretty easy to do. See, that's melted already. So I'm just going to keep on stirring here. It doesn't take long either. This one here, I always have a jar in the fridge, and this is a 250 ml jar. It's going to make half a jar, which is about 125 mils. And it's pretty warm here. It's like 80 some degrees, right? So this is pretty fluid. But you can put it in the fridge. That's how we store it. We put it in the fridge, and when you need some, you can just put it in the microwave, soften it up a bit. So this is a new product that we just ran into. It's made by Splenda Allulose, and it says it's plant-based. There's no carbs in it. The only carbs in this caramel sauce is from the butter. There's going to be 2 in that, and probably 3 or 4 in the quarter cup of cream there. So but you're not going to sit down and eat a whole jar of caramel sauce. That took about 5 minutes. I like to make smaller batches of this instead of making like a full jar, just to keep it fresh. And so I'm taking this off the heat now. I've turned off my burner, and I'm going to put the 2 tablespoons of butter in, mix that in. This makes it really nice. Butter makes everything better. And we'll just keep on stirring that. And I've got just like a tiny bit, a half teaspoon of vanilla. And a little bit of salt. This is pink Himalayan salt. And just keep on stirring. And a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream. Has to be the real stuff. That's still really hot. Don't be tempted to taste it. You'll take the skin off the roof of your mouth. See, that's looking like a nice caramel sauce. Just going to keep on stirring this. Just have a nice clean jar. And I've got a little filler here. There, that's a nice silky smooth sauce. Still runny. I'll put that into the jar, and I'll leave some in the pot for Jennifer. There you go. See, it makes half a jar. There's real caramel sauce, keto caramel sauce. Took probably about 6-7 minutes in total with the extra stirring at the end. That's the real stuff. Keto caramel sauce. Thanks for watching.